Hello everyone, this is NANROBOT. Some time ago, several self-proclaimed distributors from Morocco visited our factory. It was supposed to be a normal business meeting, but we did not expect that this visit would turn out to be a carefully premeditated act of deception. We also did not expect that they had already maliciously registered our brand name NANROBOT in Morocco, and that in their store, TORO TROTTINETTE, and across various social media platforms, they have been illegally using our trademark and brand name, and even posted footage from our factory without our permission. We must hereby make a formal clarification and statement. NANROBOT has never established any official local cooperation in Morocco from now. NANROBOT has never officially produced or sold a 14 or a 15 scooters. Our officially sold product models are as follows. Every product is professionally designed and rigorously tested to ensure safety certification to ensure an excellent and safe riding experience for our users. As for the batteries, motors, brakes, and other key components used by TORO TROTTINETTE's products, we are unable to provide customers with any warranty, repair services, or replacement parts for those products. On discovering this, we immediately uploaded a clarification video. However, TORO TROTTINETTE has ignored our messages and warnings on multiple platforms and continues to recklessly sell counterfeit products, misleading consumers. Here, we solemnly appeal to all users and partners. Choosing genuine products not only protects your rights, but also strongly supports NANROBOT. We now demand that TORO TROTTINETTE immediately cease all infringing activities. We have compiled all evidence and will take all legal actions necessary to protect the NANROBOT brand and our customers' rights worldwide. We would like to express our sincere gratitude to every user who has chosen and trusted NANROBOT. We will always be here, committed to serving true passion and safe riding.